Daedong Engineering MAXBRIO D is the world's first innovative equipment that is designed to reduce the shock transmitted to excavator. It enables not only safe and easy coupling of excavator attachments, but also absorbing the recoil shock to protect the equipment and the operator while maintaining product performance. MAXBRIO D blocks a remarkable 95% of recoil shock transmitted to excavator from hydraulic breaker that increases the lifespan of equipment and offers maximum comfort to operators. MAXBRIO D is highly advanced shock-absorbing equipment that contributes in increasing the lifespan of equipment and improving work efficiency by reducing operator fatigue. MAXBRIO D is highly effective for protecting the equipment from severe shock and vibration generated by hydraulic breakers and Vibro attachment. Developed through continuous research and development and countless performance tests, Daedong Engineering MAXBRIO D has been attested and qualified by the Korea Institute of Machinery and Material and Korea Construction Equipment Technology Institute. Daedong Engineering will always strive to become a leader in the industry with ceaseless effort and passion. Thank you.